Okay, so let's say you work on your website and you get this message that says URL is not on Google, and that can really sound frustrating, really annoying, right? And what it really means is that Google found your page but decided not to showing in search results. It's because of a mistake, though. So Google just thinks that the page isn't meant to be in its search results for some reason. So what can you do about this issue? You need to check if if the website address, the URL is correct. Make sure it starts with HTTPS instead of HTTP, because Google likes secure websites. Also, if you set your website to use www at the beginning, make sure that's in the URL too. And also make sure here in more settings, in general settings, make sure you enable URL prefix. Just click on here to enable, and then you should check your website settings to see if you accidentally turned on something called hide from search uh, engines. So maybe you work on your websites, you put in the work, and then on your blog, creating your blog, your pages, and then here in SEO settings, you actually enable this button here, hide page from search results. If you enable this, then please turn it off, because you don't want this, right? And if that's turned on, Google will be told not to show your page in the search results. It's like putting up a "Do Not Disturb Me" sign on your door. So make sure you're not enabling this on the here in the settings, right, for a page. Now the next thing that you can do is to take a look at the page itself. Does it have enough information? Do you use keywords? Is your content good quality? Sometimes if a page doesn't have much on it, if doesn't have a lot of content to keep people reading, because that's what Google wants people to read, to take their time to on your website, so they read your website and your content is uh, useful and is not useless. Google might not think it's worth showing to people if your content is not useful. So make sure there aren't any mistakes on the page, like broken links or other errors. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you found this too, and the 30 seconds minutes helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.